CABE is making a pretty bold claim with its latest motorhome, saying it offers everything you need and then some. So naturally, the Novum Track 75 OLGB is getting a lot of attention after its debut at the 2026 CMT show in Stuttgart. Now, if you're not familiar with CABE, they're a Swedish manufacturer known for building premium, low-volume RVs with a serious focus on quality. Their vehicles aren't just more expensive versions of typical motorhomes. They're carefully crafted, with a lot of attention to detail and a reputation for doing things right. And that philosophy really shows in this new model. The Novum Track 75 OLGB stands out right away because it's CABE's first semi-integrated motorhome with rear-wheel drive. It's designed not just for comfort, but also for tougher conditions, especially in winter. And if you want to take things further, there's an optional off-road package, or even four-wheel drive, which adds a whole new level of capability. Inside, this motorhome is built to feel like a proper home on wheels. It's about 7.4 meters long and a bit wider than average, and that extra space really makes a difference. The living area feels open and comfortable, helped by large skylights that bring in plenty of natural light. It can seat 5 people and sleep 2 as standard, or 4 if you convert the dining area. The layout might sound familiar at first, with a central kitchen, a rear bedroom, and a bathroom, but CABE approaches it differently. Instead of the usual split bathroom design you see in many European motorhomes, this one uses a single, larger wet bathroom. And it's not just bigger, it's better equipped too, with its own heater, a properly positioned toilet, a fold-down sink, and a full shower setup. You also get practical touches like a mirrored cabinet and plenty of storage. Speaking of storage, one of the most surprising features is the massive pantry. Instead of splitting space for a second bathroom section, CABE uses that area for a floor-to-ceiling storage unit that can hold a huge amount of food and supplies. It's easily one of the largest you'll find in this class. The bedroom continues the premium feel with double walls and built-in heating vents, making it especially comfortable in colder climates. There's plenty of storage with overhead cabinets and wardrobes under each bed, and you can even combine the twin beds into one larger sleeping space. The kitchen is compact but well thought out. You get a tall fridge, a 2-burner gas stove, a separate grill, a solid sink, and lots of storage. The cabinetry feels high-end too, with soft close hinges and built-in lighting that activates when you open them. There's more storage in the rear garage, which includes an outdoor shower, power outlets, lighting, and even removable branded bags to make packing and organizing easier. As for features, it comes well equipped with things like a rear-view camera, LED lighting, a lithium battery, smart control system, and multiple upholstery options. It's also built for colder conditions, with central heating, heated floors, and heated water tanks. Of course, you can customize a lot of it, from the engine power to the interior finishes and extra equipment. And that flexibility does affect the price. The version shown at the event was priced at around 176,000 euros, which gives you a good idea of where this sits in the premium motorhome market.